We're just gonna shake it.
Too.
And you're gonna feel the glass get, or the shaker get frosty.
Oh my goodness. The noise. Am I doing this?
There you go. There you go. A little bit faster.
Hey, I'm Maddie. I'm with Craig and Christina at Krooked Tusker Distillery, and today we're making a mocktail for you. So, what are we making?
We are making Twilight. It is a coffee, fruity, blueberry, pretty drink.
I love it. All my favorite things.
Blueberry and fruity?
Yeah, blueberry and fruity. And coffee.
Perfect. So
All right.
what's step one?
All right, so we are going to put a little ice in our smaller cup.
Sure. Do you wanna hit me up? Thanks, Craig.
We're gonna start with the milky part, just so it sits a little bit before we get going.
Okay.
So, the first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna add a little bit of bourbon vanilla bean paste.
Ooh.
It really adds to the overall flavor profile. It's gonna give you like a muffiny feel.
Blueberry muffin?
So I'll pass that down. You need
sweet.
about,
Tastes good?
it does taste really good. It's a little strong if you eat it like that though.
I dare you.
No. No thanks. Is that the
way.
last time you used a spoon?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Why'd you take the time?
Yeah. There you go.
All right, awesome.
Are we done with these?
Yep, we're done with the spoons.
Spoon.
So then we are gonna add about a quarter pump of blueberry puree, just a little bit. We don't wanna go overboard and make it too sweet. So just a little bit in there. I know.
I like
I saw your face on that
sticks
one.
and then it goes fast.
Yep.
Oh, was that enough?
Yep.
This will be a little extra blueberry.
Oh,
Just the way you like it,
I
right?
love blueberries. So.
All right, and then to get that really pretty blue color, we're gonna add a couple pumps of blue carousel. This is NA as well, so
okay.
There is an alcoholic version of it,
Gotcha.
but this is what we use. So
About 3.
yeah, just about 3. Okay.
There we go. Oh my gosh. Sweet.
Nicely done.
Yeah, I know.
Alright.
I hit the ice a little bit. I was like, oh.
So now we're gonna put your big top on top.
Uh-oh.
Just flip it over. Yeah, and flip it over. There you go. We're gonna let that sit for just a second.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, take your lid off. We're gonna throw the milk in, because I forgot that step, sorry.
Oh.
So you're gonna do 2 ounces and half and half. So right there.
2 ounces.
Yep,
Which one is it? That top one?
yep.
Oh,
right
yeah,
there.
yeah. I can read.
I gave you guys the easy measuring cups.
We're like, oh, jeez.
I have to turn around so I can actually pour it.
Right in your big one. That'll work.
I don't want to mess it up.
Oh, you're all right.
I know. Okay, here we go. Let me set it.
So what
the big one?
inspired this drink?
So the challenge was blue. So that was the whole start of it. I went through so many versions of this trying to get the color right.
Nice.
Yeah. So go ahead.
Wintry feel.
Yeah, give you a
Yeah.
nice wintry feel without, you know.
That in.
Yeah. Throw it right back on there. All right. Now we're gonna put ice in these.
Okay.
And we're gonna add the cold brew.
Oh, that's right.
I'll let you show me.
Sure. So we already have ice in the shaker, so we don't really need a whole lot of ice. So just about 3/4 or half.
I'll send mine down. Thanks, Craig. You're the
No
best.
problem.
Thank you. I appreciate it. You really filled that up.
And the ice cubes are weird.
That too much?
Nope,
that's
looks
perfect.
good. All right.
Don't worry, I'll do all the work for you.
So cold brew is next. We're gonna go right into the glass with this. We make our own cold brew. You can use any kind of cold brew that you like.
Ooh.
So you're gonna go just about halfway up the glass.
That's pretty good.
Don't worry, we won't be making your mocktails for you.
Yeah, no.
We'll
Can you imagine? You'd get it in half an hour. Claire and I like to take our time.
Perfection takes time.
Ooh.
A little more.
Little more.
Little more?
Just a touch more.
Gosh.
Then we're gonna do the fun part.
Inch to grow an inch.
Beautiful. Okay. Now we're gonna shake.
I've
You
never
ready?
done this before.
So
Don't let go.
hand here. Just make sure you're holding on to both cups, okay?
Okay. You got little
Because I don't want to
hands.
clean up that mess.
I don't
You
want
ready?
to wear anything.
You do
either.
one hand?
You can do one hand or two,
Okay.
okay? We're just
I'm
gonna
gonna
shake
do
it.
two.
And you're gonna feel the glass get, or the shaker get frosty.
Very cold.
Yep. All right. And you're gonna pull it off. You spin it a little bit. All right.
Whoa!
So then
Don't pour your ice in.
you're gonna try to not pour a whole lot of ice in. You can add it towards the finish.
Whoa, that looks so cool. There we go. So,
Yours is
oh, am
much
I
more
going last?
design. Maybe I put too much healthy in mine.
Okay, here we go.
Don't take a picture of mine. Oh,
There we
that
go.
looks good. Yeah.
Okay. We had a little dribbling moment. It's fine.
I failed.
Okay. We'll see you guys.
Yours is much prettier. I'll just give it a little mix when I start drinking.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go around.
Oh my goodness.
The noise is making. Am I doing this?
There you go.
Oh,
There you
yeah,
go. A little bit
come on.
faster. Beautiful.
Oh,
there it
there you
is.
go.
There it is. Looks
I
good.
like the
Be done.
color.
Oh yeah.
Give it a
Oh
little
yeah,
stir.
your color looks great. The dribbles didn't help. Oh my gosh.
As long as
this
it
is so-
tastes good, right?
It should taste.
Oh, here we go. Look at that color.
Yep. There you go.
Nailed it. I'm so excited.
We gonna go for a taste test?
Sure. Here we go. Cheers, everyone.
Oh,
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Here we go.
It's delicious.
Oh wow. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's really good. That's really good. I'm going back in.
Well, I'm glad you guys like it.
I love that. Yeah, that coffee taste with that's really good.
Get a hint of blueberry towards the
Blueberry.
This
finish.
morning, so
Perfect.
go.
I made this work out well tonight.
I love it. Mhm.
yep, it's
Perfect.
approved.
That was so good. I do love the blueberry with that.
Yeah, just
blueberry
a touch
muffin.
of blueberry at the finish.
I'm gonna be making these at
Twilight.
home. Twilight. I love that.
Ask for Twilight.
Thank you so much, Christina, and thank you, Krooked Tusker Distillery, for collabing with us on a really yummy mocktail.
Very good.
Yeah.
Love it.
Thanks,
Thank
guys.
you.
Yeah.